Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google BigQuery datasets with Dataform Checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Platform console. Navigate to the BigQuery section from the main dashboard. Locate the dataset you wish to verify using Dataform. Take note of the dataset name, as you will need it later. Open a new tab and log into your Dataform workspace. Create a new project or open an existing one related to your BigQuery dataset. In your Dataform project, create a new SQL file for your checks. Begin writing SQL queries that will validate the data in your dataset. Consider common checks, such as ensuring there are no null values in critical columns. You can also validate data types by comparing them against expected values. Implement row counts to ensure that the dataset matches expected limits or thresholds. Save your SQL file after you have written the necessary checks. Next, navigate to the Dataform web interface and click on the Run button. Monitor the execution to ensure all checks pass successfully. If a check fails, review the SQL code for potential issues or logical errors. Make necessary adjustments to your queries as needed. Once all checks are passing, consider scheduling these checks to run automatically. Use Dataform's built-in scheduling feature for recurring validations. List all your checks on a dashboard for easy tracking and visibility. Finally, document your validation process for future reference and clarity. With your checks in place, your Google BigQuery datasets will now be more reliable and easier to manage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.